Hi friends, I am from Nasik, Maharashtra. I will complete here my Python and Advanced Python course under the guidance of the Santosh sir. It is a great privilege to connect with the myTectra, and Santosh sir is the best trainer I have got till a date. myTectra is the best training solution. I will say you friends, it is a good. Come here and enjoy your life. Thank you myTectra to giving us such a chance.
Hello everyone, I am Prashant Gautam and I am a final year student of NIT Agartala, National Institute of Technology, Agartala, and I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Actually, when I was completing my third year's end sem examinations, then I was just thinking about to join a training for machine learning, because currently machine learning is a very growing field, and for placements you can definitely go with this topic. So I was just searching on the internet, and I searched for many of the institutes across India, and while searching on internet I have seen many of the students have recommended this myTectra institute on Quora and as well as on also other sites. So I just gone through their sites and searched for many of their courses available and their prospectus and all that. So I thought that it was quite well, means they have covered all the syllabus and all the course content. Then I came here, I decided that I will join this, and firstly I have to try this. Then I came here at myTectra and asked my Mr. Mohammed sir, and he told me that firstly you can join those demo classes, and while I said yeah, that's okay. It was a good experience, means they have also covered the extra topics that were required for our projects. So I was they were always supportive to me, and always they were helpful for everything that I need, for every support there. And I think it's a quite well, you can go with the sir and you have to believe on him, because whatever he is teaching, it's just his way and it's perfect. You don't need anything else beside that, and it's the perfect thing for your placements. So I think it's a good way to go with these peoples, and I like it. I want to thank myTectra peoples and my mentor Ankit sir for all their support and all their teachings, that I am here right now. And right now I think that I can do much better in the machine learning, and I can definitely go for placements with this topic.
Myself Amarnath, studying in NIT Agartala, a student of computer science, and when I came here, before that I searched for a large number of training centers. Then actually the employee from here, when I come to know myTectra, I talked with one of the employee and take all the contents what we are going to cover, and in how much duration we have to provide for covering all the syllabus. Then after having a great expectation, again we were actually anyhow I was to utilize my summer vacation, so I came here for Python, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Then our trainer was Ankit sir, and he was really good, because although he covered all the topics mentioned in the syllabus, and we worked with a number of case studies so that we can implement whatever we learned. And I spent my 2 months very well because of these persons who just provided their, and I